Good morning, guys. We are getting my hair put up. I just woke up. We are going to the beach today. Get my hair tied. Oh crap! I got my hair done putting up where I want it to be, and I had to get my hair tied. Oh well. But yeah, we're heading to the beach today. Like we did on one of my other vlogs. We're going to a different beach. I woke up this morning. I feel like crap. Allergies kicking in. Going to the beach. Not the beach. We go on to the beautiful beach for a birthday party and a baby shower. And I'm trying to do this. Boom. Okay, but yeah, we're going to go to a baby shower and a birthday. So, yeah. Okay, so we're outside taking care of the dogs. They're very playful. Their food things right there. But yeah, we're taking care of the dogs. Duke. Lola. Duke. Oh my god. Sorry about my bad aiming. But yeah, they're very playful and active. Duke hates me going inside. Duke, I'm going bye-bye. I'm going bye-bye, Duke. I'm going bye-bye. I'm going bye-bye. You want to go bye-bye? I can tell that you feel ashamed. Well, do you want me to go bye-bye? Hey. Shake. Good boy. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, I'll see you tomorrow. Hey. Duke. Okay, let me go by. Fine then. Act the way how you want to act. I'm going in.
I'm not spending all this money
on our way to the beach, and it's about to rain.
All her little fucking shit ass people that she's friends with when we sit in my fucking
Yeah,
Yeah, it was pretty cheap.
Told you, plain black coffee's cheap.
No, the most expensive thing was that shit. Obviously.
You always went up here one day. It was early in the morning, and I'm about right here. I'm going. It's early in the morning. This guy passes me up like I'm standing still, and he's going on the left lane, going up this bridge, passing everybody up the left lane. I stop right here, and I'm just like, oh, screw this shit. And he's in this left lane, passing everybody up. You can't see anybody coming.
Yeah.
I stayed down there. Well, this one guy said there was somebody doing that. He was on the shoulder over here, or on the side, and there was three going deep. Somebody's passing, somebody's coming from the other direction. It's one person in the middle passing everybody.
that seems dangerous.
It is dangerous.
Oh my God, he said, and then he said his black friend was over there freaking shitting his pants. Man, I would love to have a beach house, you guys.
That'd be cool.
Hey,
Yeah.
what we all need to do is all of us need to like, when I get to
Oh my god. Charlie. Can I have one of these? Yay! Okay guys, so we're at the beach house. Beautiful beach house. And I've been skipping through the vlog. We walked all the way down the shore earlier. I forgot to bring my phone. We went swimming.
But yeah, we're having fun. So much fun.
Where's Charlie?
Hold on, let's get some.
In the boogie boards. About to go surfing.
Just one?
Yeah.
That's really normal. She's like, there's her temperature is running a bit high anyways. So just keep an eye on it. Yeah.
Where the hell is the strainer?
I don't know.
You can always ask
Colin,
me questions.
I don't know.
Oh, that hurt.
Who does that? Huh? Who does that? Christina and her husband Ryan have 6 kids. Yeah.
Dr. Ice. How long? That scented
I don't know if I can do this box heavy.
Was it heavy?
Oh, it's an ingenuity! Convert the swingy thing.
Yay.
We only got one. You realize nothing.
Read the note, that's from.
Yeah, mix and match colors, yeah.
We're gonna wear different socks anyways.
What kitty?
Mismatched sock day.
Another thing for Grandma and Grandpa.
It's a bottle.
More bottles.
Yeah, you already
Yeah, I always call myself a waiter.
Colin.
There's
My brother.
Cole and Colin. We call him Colin. They hate it.
She's just here with my aunt.
Okay, so y'all are family.
Yeah, pretty much.
Charlie, you okay?
Let it go.
I'm sharing.
That's
That sunset is beautiful.
I have an iPhone charger. My phone's on it.
Stupid train. Okay guys, so I'm gonna end the vlog here for tonight. Everybody is already asleep. I just got done with my shower and everything. I got a little bit of sunburn on my face. No one wanted to know that, Mom. Okay, but yeah, I'm going to end the vlog. I had a pretty fun day with my family. I am so tired though, but I need to go to bed, get ready for school tomorrow. And so, that's all I gotta say, and peace.